Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video by Wondershare Repairit, professional software designed to fix corrupted videos, photos, and files. Videos have always been and continue to be a big part of most people's lives, whether that's for education, entertainment, or memory keeping. In today's video, I'll show you how to solve the problem when movies stop recording automatically while filming. If you're a filmmaker and your camera won't record, stick around as we'll cover how to solve the problem. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Wondershare Repairit YouTube channel and let us know in the comment section down below if you've experienced the problem of movies stopping recording while filming. Now, it's actually quite a common complaint from Canon DSLR owners that their videos stop recording. So, what can cause movies to stop recording automatically? When filming in summer or directly in the sunlight, any camera, including Canon, is prone to abruptly stopping recording. For example, if you're filming outside in Texas on a bright sunny day, your new Canon EOS 80D might stop recording automatically. This is because your camera's sensors are continuously functioning while you record, building up heat. And once your camera reaches a certain temperature, a warning will display on the screen, and eventually your camera will stop the recording automatically. It's also possible that your camera's memory card can't handle the quality that you're recording in. High quality videos such as those captured by Canon cameras can't be recorded to memory cards with slow read and write speeds. Next, your movie recording might be stopped automatically due to incompatibility between your camera and the memory card you're using. If the storage on your SD card is already full, there'll be no room for new recordings, and your movie will stop recording automatically. The recording of a video could also be automatically stopped if your SD card is corrupt. And if your SD card is infected with one or more viruses, it could also damage the video recording. There's a few ways to solve the problem, including checking the SD card compatibility, altering the recording resolution, setting the camera's bitrate, formatting the memory card, and more to fix the movie recording stopping automatically problem on Canon cameras. Let's run through them all now. Even in extreme conditions like scorching weather, it's easy to get carried away with your video recording, and overheating can cause a camera to stop recording. When this happens, the best thing to do is turn off the camera and wait for it to cool down before continuing to shoot. Sometimes though, the problem isn't with your camera and you'll need to format your SD card instead. If your SD card is overflowing, it might require a full format rather than an image by image delete. Formatting wipes the card completely clean, allowing you to start from scratch, but it's always best to format your memory card using your camera rather than your computer. So before you start recording, make sure your memory card has enough capacity. Formatting your SD card can also enhance the read and write speeds, and here's how to do it. Turn off your camera and insert the SD card. Turn your camera back on and enter the menu. Locate the format option and press OK to format the memory card. Before formatting the SD card, make sure you've got a backup of all your footage. Sometimes though, you'll have to manage the recording size of your camera to avoid the camera stopping in the middle of a movie recording. If you don't want to format your memory card, you can alter the size of the video recording instead to help the card handle the video. It will slightly reduce the quality of the video, but it will still be watchable. Adjust the recording size by changing the frame rate, quality, and compression. In some Canon cameras such as the Rebel T5 and 1200D, the video record parameters can also be adjusted using the quick control screen. Hopefully that helps, but it might also help to change the camera's bitrate. If your camera is recording with a greater bitrate than your memory card can handle, your video can stop recording automatically. If this is the case, lowering the bitrate to accommodate the memory card's capacity is the best answer. Once your camera is recording in a compatible bitrate for your memory card, it will be able to record your movie for longer periods of time without abruptly ending. You can use an add-on like Magic Lantern to prevent your video recording from stopping automatically by setting options like Q-Scale with a low negative value or CBR 1x mode. It's also a good idea to use a high-speed SD card. SD cards are placed into categories according to their read and write speeds. These are called classes. Basically, the higher the class number, the higher the read and write speeds, and the higher quality of video it can handle. Read and write speeds are how fast a camera can record information. So a Class 9 SD card will have a faster read and write speed than a Class 5, and so on. For high quality cameras such as Canon, you'll need a Class 6 card or above, but a good quality Class 10 card would be even better. However, if your video files are corrupt, you'll need a repair tool. Video corruption is not something anyone wants to deal with because they won't play back properly and they give you all sorts of issues. Luckily though, video corruption can be fixed. You can repair videos that have become corrupted after recording with software like Wondershare Repairit. You can also repair videos that have become corrupted due to a recording fault too, especially when the recording has stopped abruptly. Here's how it works. Simply plug your memory card into your computer, download Wondershare Repairit and fix your corrupted videos like this. Upload the video that needs to be repaired. To do so, go to the center of the interface and click Add. In the Quick Repair mode, click Repair to let the software scan and correct your corrupted video. To preview and save, select OK from the pop-up window that opens. Hopefully those methods help you resolve the problem of movies stopping recording automatically. And remember that Wondershare Repairit is the ultimate tool when it comes to restoring videos and movies that have become corrupted as a result of this problem. SD cards play a critical part in resolving the issue of movies stopping recording automatically too, so use a high-class SD card that corresponds with your camera for smooth, high-quality video recording. Apart from that, use your Canon settings wisely to capture high-quality video for extended periods of time. Thanks for watching, and please let us know any other suggestions you have for solving this problem in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wondershare Repairit YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and I'll see you next time.